What did we get? Is that a hamster, Casey? Go get him.
That's so cool. He turns around.
He's a smart little hamster.
I know you like the hamster, don't you? Oh, he's coming back. Almost got him.
You almost got him.
Come back.
Oh, you got him! You got him! Good job. You got that hamster.
You got the hamster.
He's running around.
Yeah, you're so proud. Oh, I think that's all his favorite day.
She loves that hamster.
I thought that hamster did hit.
It's like running in a circle. Casey, look at Daddy. Oh, there he goes again. Oh, and the hamster is free.